Welcome and thank you for your interest in our daily cash flow system. With this, you can live life without limits. Daily cash flow system is designed by the world's most successful marketing company called Alliance in Motion Global, and the business has been changing lives in over 200 countries of the world. The company distributes top-of-the-line food supplements manufactured by Nature's Way, the #1 herbal company in USA. For details about the products of Alliance in Motion Global, kindly request for the product video presentation through a number on the screen. Now, it may interest you to know that the business you are about to see will give you decent daily income with or without buying and selling of any product. First, let me show you 7 interesting things about this business. That is 7 reasons why most people love to do the business. Number 1 is the one-time purchase. That is, once you purchase the business package once, you are automatically enrolled into a lifetime business that gives you daily income with or without buying and selling of anything. You have access to free products from time to time. You enjoy free international trips, and like I said, buying and selling is not a must. There is no auto ship. You can do multiple accounts for you to earn even more. Now, getting started is very simple. Simply make a one-time purchase of your desired business package and request for the corresponding income plans that come with it. We have varieties of plan. Number 1 is the starter plan for just 36,000 naira. It comes with an income potential of up to 10 million naira annually. We have the entrepreneur's plan for 108,000 naira. It comes with an income potential of up to 30 million naira annually. And we also have the international builders plan for 252,000 naira. It comes with an income potential of up to 70 million naira annually. Now, when you decide to join our business through any of these packages, the company will give you varieties of products worth more than the amount of your money. You have business kits that contains all you need to run your business, and also you have online tracking center where you can log in to access your business at any time. You have access to training and resources, and of course, you are automatically enrolled into the lifetime international business of Alliance in Motion Global. Now, let me show you different ways to get paid through this business. Number 1 is retailing, which is 100% optional. Your membership qualifies you for 25% lifetime discount on all the products of the company. And number 2, refer customers and get paid for life. Under this, you could earn up to 91,200 naira every blessed day. Now, here we have what we call direct referral bonus, which is 1,900. That is, when you join the business, you are automatically placed through the computerized system of the organization on a spot, and you are expected to refer 2 customers at least to the business. When you do that, the system pays you direct referral bonus on each of them, which is 1,900 naira, totaling 3,800 naira. And of course, you are still paid another bonus under this, which is called the pairing bonus of 5,700 naira. And this is how it works. A line is drawn to separate your left from the right. That is, the 2 people you brought into the business, one is on the left, one is on the right. The 2 of them will be paired together. An additional 5,700 naira is credited to your account, giving you a total of 9,500 naira already without buying and selling of anything. It doesn't end there. This is just the beginning. Everyone who joins the business is expected to refer at least 2 customers. So when Mr. A also refers 2 customers, he will be paid 9,500 naira the same way. When Mr. B also refers 2 customers, he will be paid 9,500 naira the same way. Now, there is an application that tracks everyone who joined the business through your initial member or through you. That is, everyone who joins after you. So the last 4 people who just joined the business through Mr. A and B is traced to you, and of course you will still be paid for it. That is, one from the left and one from the right will be paired together. 5,700 naira is credited to you. The second man with the second man will be paired together. Another 5,700 naira is credited to you, giving you a total income of 20,900 naira already. Now, as people continue to join from the left, irrespective of who brings who and irrespective of the structure, and people continue to join from the right, irrespective of who brings who, one will be paired with 1, and you get paid 5,700 over and over, up to 16 times every blessed day, giving you a total income of up to 91,200 naira on a daily basis. Now, remember, there is no buying and selling, no maintenance, no auto ship, no time frame, you get free product from time to time, and of course you get paid directly into your bank account every day. Now you may want to ask, what if you join this business and you are able to refer Ada and of course Obi right and left? You get paid the direct referral bonus of 3,800 naira, and of course you get paid the pairing bonus of 5,700 naira. But what if Ada could only refer one person, which is John here, and Obi can also refer one person too, which is David? Are you still going to get paid? Of course yes. The system will still pair the two of them together, pay you the 5,700 naira. Even if Obi can only refer, John can only refer one person, which is Faith, and David can only refer one person, which is Eze. So far, one is falling on the left, one is falling on the right. The system will pair them together and pay you 5,700. It continues like that till infinity, even if they are getting 1-1 to the business. That is not all. There is something that is much more interesting about this business. We call it the power of spillover. Let's assume this is me. I have my left and I have my right. On the left, I refer you, and on the right, I refer Sarah. And of course, you also refer Ada as your, left team. But probably you are not able to get the second person on time, or you have difficulties getting the second person. But as for me, I am doing it full time. I'm getting even more than 2. The system says even the third person I'm getting to the business, I cannot refer him or her directly to myself. It has to be spilled over to you, under you forming your second person. Of course, I have nothing to lose. It still falls under me indirectly. And of course, when that happens, the system will still pair the two of them together and pay you 5,700. That is, you enjoy the work of your upline. So from here, if Ada refer one person, and even Obi that I spilled over to you refer one person, you will still get paid for it. The two of them will be paired together, and you'll still be paid 5,700 naira. And that is how it goes on like that. So you have nothing to lose. You can either get the matching bonus on yourself directly, or even as a spillover from your upline. That is how you continue to get paid in our business. Now, that is not all. Let's talk about the entrepreneur's plan, which is just the 3 of the normal startup plan. All it means is you register yourself in 3 places: U number 1, U number 2, and U number 3. On yourself, you have a cashback of 9,500 naira, even on the registration alone. That is, U number 2 and U number 3 is seen as the expected 2 people for U number 1. So you get paid a total of 9,500. All you need to do is get 2 people under each of your last accounts, and when that is done, U number 2 will get paid 9,500, U number 3 will get paid 9,500, and U number 1 will receive 11,400 naira. All it means is instead of you earning in one place, you are earning in 3 centers as your business continues. Now, if you are able to maximize the business and get the 16 matching bonus per day on your 3 accounts, it means you will be earning 273,600 naira per day, and of course you could be earning 1.9 million naira per week and 8.2 million naira plus in a single month. And remember, no buying and selling is required to earn all this. That is not all. We have the International Builders Plan, which is 7 centers. It's just like the 3 centers. All it means is you registering yourself in 7 centers, and on yourself, even upon your registration without referring anybody, you have a cashback of 39,900 naira. And all you need to do is get to 2 people under each of your last accounts. After doing that, your 7 accounts will earn. So instead of you earning in one place or even 3 centers, you will be earning in 7 centers. And for every single member who joins your business, you could earn in 3, 4 of your accounts, even up to 7 of your accounts if you are getting people under all your legs down there. So if you are able to maximize the system and get the 16 matching bonus per day, you could be earning over 600,000 naira every single day and 4.4 million naira plus every single week, and of course over 19 million naira every single month. Now, apart from what I've just explained, there are 4 other ways through which you will continue to generate income in this business that is not fully explained in this business. We have the uni-level bonus, we have the step bonus, we have the royalty income, you have profit sharing. That is, you have 7 different ways to generate income from this business, and one does not affect the other. You will be earning in 7 different ways together. Now, in closing, Robert Kiyosaki said, financial freedom is a mental, emotional, and educational process. What does that mean? What you have just learned about our business is a form of education on how our business works. You have a right to react to it according to how you see it, which is your emotion. But it may interest you to know that your decision, your interest, your belief of it doesn't change what the business is. It may interest you to know that the same business has changed a lot of life. Now, in case you consider this a good business, but you are wondering, how are you going to do it? How do you get the two people that is required to join you in the business? Well, here is our promise to you. If you join our team, we're going to give you tested and proven tips and ideas for getting as many people as you want without begging anyone. We will give you quality tools and resources needed to run the business successfully. And of course, we give you ongoing training with sound support system. That is, if you join our team, we will give you all you need that will make the business interesting for you. Now the question is, are you ready? Does it look like a good business to you? Kindly get in touch with the person who shared this video with you or contact the number you are seeing on the screen. We wish you all the best. Thank you so much for watching.